Protected areas. Question 1. Which of the following pairs of tiger corridors and the states in which they are present in India are mentioned correctly? Tiger corridor state. 1. Indravati Udanti Sitandi Sunabeda Chhattisgarh and Odisha. 2. Dandeli Anshi Sharvathi Valley Karnataka. 3. Parambikul Mirnakulam Indira Gandhi Kerala and Tamil Nadu. 4. Manas Baksa Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. 5. Kamlang Kintail Valley Arunachal Pradesh. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 4 and 5 only. C. 1, 2, 3 and 5 only. D. 3 only. Question 2. Recently, a document titled Connecting Tiger Populations for Long-Term Conservation was published by which of the following institutions organizations? A. National Tiger Conservation Authority and Wildlife Institute of India. B. International Union for Conservation of Nature and Worldwide Fund for Nature. C. Indian Institute of Forest Management and Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. D. Global Tiger Forum and United Nations Development Programme. Question 3. With reference to TX2 initiative, consider the following statements. 1. It is a global commitment to double the world's wild tigers by 2022. 2. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve has won the inaugural TX2 award for its remarkable contribution to tiger conservation. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Question 4. An area owned by the state government adjacent to national parks and sanctuaries for protecting the landscape, seascape and habitat of fauna and flora is the definition of A. Community reserve. B. Sanctuary. C. Conservation reserves. D. Sacred groves. Question 5. CATRAT was recently seen in news is related to A software used for the purpose of tiger census. B. A type of disease originating from rats that can be transmitted into humans. C. A method to dispose of the virulent genes during captive breeding. D. A type of enzyme inhibitor used to dispose of foreign bodies. Question 6. This national park is located on the foothills of the Himalayas with semi-evergreen and moist deciduous forests. The river Jia Bhoroli cuts across the area. The Pakke Tiger Reserve of Arunachal Pradesh shares its border with this national park. Which of the following national parks is mentioned here? A. Manas National Park. B. Nameri National Park. C. Dibru-Sakhova National Park. D. Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. Question 7. Sonairupai Wildlife Sanctuary, Orang National Park, Barnadi Wildlife Sanctuary and recently included Manas National Park are known for the conservation and reintroduction of which of the following species? A. Spider monkey. B. Indian giant squirrel. C. Pygmy hog. D. Marbled cat. Question 8. Consider the following statements with respect to Kaziranga National Park. 1. In March 2020, it was selected as one among the 17 iconic tourist sites of the country by the Indian government. 2. Presence of alluvial savanna woodlands and tropical semi-evergreen forest vegetation in the national park. 3. It is designated as an important bird area by BirdLife International. 4. It is located in Chirang and Baksa district of Assam in northeast India and is contiguous with the National Park of Bhutan. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2 only. C. 1 and 4 only. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 9. With respect to community reserves in India, consider the following statement. 1. To be notified as a community reserve, the land should be community land or land owned by the state government. 2. There is no provision for change in land use pattern within a community reserve at any time. 3. Nagaland has the maximum number of community reserves in India in terms of area. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 3 only. Question 10. Management Effectiveness Evaluation, (ME), of National Park and Wildlife Sanctuaries in India is released by which of the following organizations? A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. B. Niti Aayog. C. The Energy and Resource Institute. D. Wildlife Trust of India. Question 11. Consider the following statements regarding Conservation Reserve Management Committee. 1. It is constituted under the Forest Conservation Act, 1980. 2. The state government shall constitute a Conservation Reserve Management Committee to advise the Chief Wildlife Warden. 3. Change in the land use pattern can be made within the community reserve without the permission of the Conservation Reserve Management Committee. Select the correct statements from the codes given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 only. C. 2 only. D. 2 and 3 only. Question 12. Consider the following marine protected areas of India. 1. Gulf of Kutch Marine National Park. 2. Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. 3. Gulf of Mannar Marine National Park. 4. Rani Jhansi Marine National Park. Which is their correct order from north to south? A. 1-2-4-3. B. 1-4-2-3. C. 1-2-3-4. D. 1-43-2. Question 13. It is an artificial lake and has recently been designated as a Ramsar site. Originally created to supply water to the city of Agra in the summer, the wetland soon became an important and rich ecosystem. Alongside this lake lies a sloth bear rescue facility dedicated to rehabilitating previously enslaved dancing bears. The site is important for bird species which migrate on the Central Asian Flyway, with over 30,000 waterbirds known to visit the reservoir annually. Which of the following sites best represent the above description? A. Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary. B. Samsapur Bird Sanctuary. C. Parvati Arang Bird Sanctuary. D. Sur Sarovar Bird Sanctuary.